Attention, Avery
Atticus
and
Evie.
Edie. Tiki was supposed to say Evie, but Tiki ain't smart enough.
She's warm. She's keeping
For
warm.
Papa's birthday, I'm 18 years old now.
Yeah.
We went to the Gulf of America. Yep, the Gulf of America. Okay.
That is all.
No, that's not all.
That's pathetic.
So we're going to be changing the name of the Gulf of Mexico to the Gulf of America, which has a beautiful ring that covers a lot of territory. The Gulf of America.
Heaven help us all.
That is all.